Jeweler says he's making the world's most expensive COVID mask. I don't dispute that. Apparently, this thing's going to be worth $1.5 million. It's got diamonds all over it. If you got to wear a mask, apparently you got to have a certain style to it as well, Will.
Yeah.
You got to show the people what's happening. You can't have the N95, let alone just a regular surgical mask.
No.
Going out in public, you got to make a statement. And so this is a nerve-wracking type of experience here to place and set each one of these individual diamonds. The person that purchased this, they requested the most expensive mask in the world. They wanted to make sure that's what this was going to be. According to this article, the buyer is a Chinese businessman living in the U.S., paying the $1.5 million. Also, besides the 18-karat white gold and all the diamonds, it's 3,600 white and black diamonds, by the way. It can be fitted with an N99 filter. So you can somehow fit a filter into this thing. So it's actually still doing work as well.
Oh.
That's going to be a serious look, whoever's wearing that.
How much is the filter? Is it like $1 or something?
Yeah, just 3M. You just get a box of 3M N99s and slide them into your luxury mask and go out on the town and, I don't know, get a lot of attention. Definitely. How are you not going to double take that thing? Look at that. You look like a villain in a Marvel movie or something with that thing on.
Don't forget this one when you leave the restaurant or something.
Whew. I mean, think about how risky it is. I guess if you have a $1.5 million mask you're going around with, you probably have a security team or something too.
Yeah.
Because having $1.5 million on your face, I mean, that could result in a couple of rough outcomes for you.
Yeah.
Once people follow the story and figure it out, what you're doing, that's $1.5 million on the face.
Mm-hmm.
Oof. That jewelry stuff make you nervous, won't it?
Yeah.